Okay, hey, here we go. It is May 7th. You can see it up on the board behind me. I thought this chair was a little bigger, and my chair at home is enormous. It would be really obvious that I was sitting in the Kirk chair. Anyways, just going to go ahead and lead off with still working through the ankle thing. Probably going to be in the chair a little bit still today, but we are definitely going to continue learning, continue working together. We got an investigation we are planning together. I think a couple classes are finishing up the washer thing from yesterday. That wasn't a very good shot of that, but it is still over there on the demo board. So I'll get a good shot of it at the end just in case we need it up here, because I believe I'm going to be using the demo board to help us out today with some of what we're filling out. Our objectives have not changed. Same stuff as we had. I can identify variables in investigation. I can change the force of an object to affect its acceleration. And I can identify forces working on objects. I can work with a partner to plan an investigation. This, of course, is our introduction. We usually start with intro. You can see that the second thing on the list for today is a paper airplane investigation, and that is listed as a we do. So we are going to be considering some questions about paper airplanes and posting those up and making an investigation based on that. And then the wind resistance investigation, if we get to that point, that's going to be an I do. That is with a partner. So it's an I do that actually, instead of looking like this I, it's going to be this I. I don't know what I'm doing. And then of course cleanup, which is a we do. We definitely want to clean up after every period. I know that's been kind of a struggle that we've been having lately as a group, myself included in that. But we do want to finish the school year out strong and make sure we are cleaning up after ourselves. Less than a month of school days, you guys know that, so we do want to make sure that we finish out strong, get into, make sure we're continuing with good habits as we move on towards 7th grade for next year. Which is why the broom's been being left out up front. If you're not sure how to use a broom, it'll definitely help out. The big thing is just kind of getting your stuff in the trash if you have stuff left behind, or getting your pens or pencils returned to the pen and pencil borrow cup. So we are starting off today, as it mentions on the board, with a paper airplane investigation. So we are considering some questions related to that. First question is going to be considering what forces are actually acting on a paper airplane. And the second thing, and these will be coming up right here. Second thing is actually going to be considering what can make a paper airplane fly farther. So we're going to be working on some of those guided investigation sheets, the same ones we've seen before. Doing, like I said, a we do, and those are two-sided. So when you get to the I do, if you get that far for planning your own investigation, then you'll be doing that on the back side of that. I do have your quizzes from last week, the investigation pages. I am still working on getting through them, so that's why you haven't seen an update in the grade book, but that update will be coming as soon as feasible. And I have confidence you guys are going to be doing okay on those. Everything that we are doing is building. It's spiraling is the popular word in curriculum speak right now, teacher speak. So that means that if you didn't necessarily nail the skills there, and you are getting the skills now, then those showing the skills in the spiral still counts. Is the short way to say that. Probably a little confusing, but I just wanted to kind of get it out there here on the vlog, let you guys know that you're doing fine. All the skills are being reassessed, even without regular corrections as you've seen in the past. So don't feel discouraged if you're looking at the grade book and maybe not totally satisfied right now. I do believe that you guys are going to be able to, as long as you're putting the effort in, be able to kind of get back on top of those things. So that is what we're doing for today. I already mentioned that our bell ringer is about airplane stuff, so live New Aim's going to be pulling that right back up right in front of my face right here, and we're going to get started.